Alright, so today I'm going to try to code from scratch, live code, here a tic-tac-toe with Elm. So we're going to do all of this on Ellie app. So if we go to Ellie, it provides like a live coding environment in the browser. So here's a minimal working Elm app. And so this is where we're going to start. We're just going to go from here. So let's hide that, make that full screen. Okay. So for a tic-tac-toe, let's start from, let's make a grid. So let's start what this is going to look like. So we need, essentially we need, what's a, we got a cell. This is going to return a cell. Let's see here, HTML, import HTML.attributes. Yeah, exposing, we need like a class. Is that a thing? Whoops, not save. Yeah, we can always go to here. Yeah, class. So it's totally a thing. So let's go back here. And we want, where was that here? Yeah, so we're making a cell. And this is going to be class equals cell. And I think it's just going to be empty, right? Eventually, we're going to put something in here, right? Like zeros, x's, or nothing. But let's just put, I don't know, let's put x's there. And we want, oh, doing the wrong thing here. We want, that is a cell. And we're going to have, editing the wrong stuff here. So we're going to have like 3 rows of 3. So row equals, we're going to have a div, now class equals row, and we're going to have cell, something like that, right? And then we're going to have class equals, I don't know why I'm putting these equals here. Yeah, there we go. Cell, rows, yeah, and then this is our full grid. All right, and we're going to have 3 of these, row, row, row. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, okay. So we can totally fix this. So I've already put my CSS classes in there. So something like dot cell. What do we got here? We need width equals like 33%. And dot row width equals, let's make it view width. Yeah, that should work. View 33 view width. Yeah, 33 view width. And this is going to be 100 view width. Yeah, there we go. And let's just do like kind of some debugging color. So background color, you know, hot pink. And then border 1px solid, no, blue. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that's kind of working. Display inline block. Let's see if that works now. Yeah, there we go. So we have a grid. Oh, it looks like body HTML, whatever, right? Kind of need to reset these things. Padding 0 and margin 0, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we got that extra 1% on the side. Like, it's not that big a deal. So, text align, I think, center. There we go. Let's do like height. I don't know, let's do something like, oh, we can just make it the same, right? Make them square. Yeah, so it's gonna, yeah, this will be square. That's a little weird. Yeah, text align center. Let's see here. Here's a little hack. Line height. Make it the same. Then a vertical align middle. Yeah, there we go. That's gonna work for us. And then font family, sans serif, font size. Let's do, you know, something a little bit bigger here. Sure, that's looking pretty good. Let's make this bigger. So what do we want? We want these cells, rows. Now we need like borders between them. So how about we do border right 1px solid black. And then you can do like cell. I think you can do this, last child. Border right none. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that's good. Let's make this a little thicker though. There we go. And we kind of want to do the same thing here on the rows. Let's do a row. We can do the same thing. We'll do, instead of border right, we'll do border bottom. And then we'll do the same thing, row, last child. I guess I probably could have done this with SVG, I guess, too. I think this will be, it's probably easier. Okay. So, same thing here. Border. We just don't want the border on the bottom one. Border bottom. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, good. Let's see here. Yeah, that should work for us. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this pink here. Okay, so now we have a tic-tac-toe board. Okay, I don't think, yeah, we don't need to touch this anymore. So what needs to happen if we click on a cell, we got rows, grid. Okay, so if we click on a cell, so this cell actually needs the model. We've got to pass this model in. Because if we click on something, we've got to capture the message. We've got to like produce some side effect. So this needs the model, and this needs the model. And then we've got to, well, like ultimately what do we need to happen? We need to like on click, we need to do something like click cell, and we've got to know which one. Click cell. So we've got to number these, right? So there. Yeah, so let's see here. Actually, we don't need this model. Let's just say row 0, right? Row 1, row 2. Yeah, this is gonna work. So it takes in some number. Yeah, so we're gonna have to number these cells so we know which one we clicked on. So okay, the number cell, and then these cells are gonna be number. Yeah, the row. Yeah, this is gonna work. So we're gonna kind of work backwards here. Number, and then we're gonna go 0, 1, 2. Okay, so yeah, and this is also gonna take integer. And then how about it's actually gonna take 2 numbers, right? The row and the column. So row, column, and let's like print these out. They're going to be integers. So let's see here. We got int to I think it's stringed up from int row, stringed up from int column. Yeah, okay. And then we've got to pass that in there. So I think that'll work now. Let's just row is undefined. Oh, it's because I did row twice. So the nice friendly, yeah. Row, cell row, let's call it that, cell row, and then we've got to do this here, row, cell row. Yeah, I think that's gonna work for us now. There we go. Great. So we're able to index everything here. Yeah, sweet. Okay, so now what we need to happen, great. Let's format this. Is getting kind of ugly. Let's format this. Yeah, that's better. Let's see if they like this here. This. Yeah, okay. So we have a grid here. We need to be able to click on it. So the whole reason we did that is so that now I can on click, click. I'm going to have some message type that's click cell, row column, something like that. Okay, so type message, click cell, int. Click cell, row column equals, oh, I always forget this thing here. Just the model. Yeah. We're just going to update the model here. So we got, so model, and then we're going to say, well, let's just store what we've clicked for now, and then we'll just show it. Because eventually we're going to have like a list of cells, and we're going to update those cells. So it's going to be something like array.get you know what? Why don't we just make like a map or something? Yeah, set dot. Yeah, why don't we just make a set? We'll just make a set of 9 things. We'll just index them by these numbers here. Can we do that? Let's see here. Set. We'll make a set of integers. So 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21. Yeah, sure, I guess we could do that. It's kind of a hack here. Can we do that? Set. Insert, remove. Query, member, size, union, get, to list, from list, map. Can we get stuff from it? It's my member. Not a set. A dict. Sorry. This is what I want. Dictionary. Because we're going to put those numbers in and then just retrieve them. Whoops. This is what I want here. We just need a nice way to store this information. So we could use a dictionary and just get like single access. Yeah, so we could do 0, 1, 2. Oh shoot, let's see here. Or we could do a list. But then we've got to like get them out. I really think it's going to be easiest. Let's just do a dictionary. We're going to get the thing out of it. Either way, yeah, we're going to have a safe way of retrieving these things out. So let's make, yeah, okay. Click set, not set. I'm gonna say grid. We're gonna need to get like update our grid to something. Let's look at Dict here. Dict.get size, keys, values, to list, from list, get. Yeah, so we're gonna have to get it, update the value of dictionaries. Yeah. So Dict.update model.grid. How do we use this again? Update. Give it the thing. Update. Not sure. Like, how do I use this thing? So I give it a thing, like the key, right? I give it the key. and the oh, with the function. Update the value of a dictionary. So we're gonna get, so whatever the value is, let value, I was thinking of doing something like row plus column, row times 10 plus column. Yeah, so like the row times 10, so 10, 11, oh yeah, there's 0. So 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 20, yeah, that'll work. That's going to be our value, and the grid we need some function here, and it says maybe what, oh, so that's probably going to be the thing that we're retrieving, and if the thing, so if the thing like is not clicked, so if it's like if x equals nothing, then you know, whoever clicked it, we got to know who clicked it. So we're probably keeping track of like whose turn it is. So model dot current player, else, so if it's nothing, then get the current player. If it does have someone, then we're just gonna do whatever's there. Yeah. Okay, this is getting a little gross. Let's see here. Then we'll let our formatter, let's see if our formatter is smart enough here. Maybe? No. Formatter not quite knowing what to do with this here. Do I have an extra parentheses? So there's our lambda. If this, then this, else that. Whoops. Yeah, okay. So give it the value, what to do with the value, and then the thing we're gonna update, and it's going to turn a new one and update our grid. And our grid yeah, so something like our grid is going to be something like Dict.dot. There's some way to initialize this here. Build empty insert update remove. So not a sure. We'll have to do something like yeah, we're gonna have to do something like that, like from list maybe, query list keys to list. Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna work for us. So from list, and what is it gonna be? We got a bunch of tuples here. 1 and nothing. Actually, right, if we look at our grid here, Also nothing. There's probably a much better way of doing this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22. Yeah. Okay. And then we have our model here. It's a grid. It's just going to be a dict. And then we got to import. I think. All right. So. Oh, boo. Something went wrong in case expression. Message of click cell. Click cell. Click cell int. Something went wrong. Print case message of model. I cannot see what's wrong with this thing. Just X or something. Oh. I don't see it. Oh, dumb. Just that. Yeah, here we go. Needs 2 arguments to C0. Can't find a dict type. See, how do I bet I'm doing this wrong. Dict type dict. Dict exposing dict. Oh. I need to say what kind of thing. So, int and player. And I have like this type player equals player 1, player 2, and it's just going to be actually a maybe player, because it could be empty, right? There, I think that will work. Dot. I was right the first time. Mayber. Get it to compile. On click expects 1 argument, and I gave it a bunch of arguments. So let's see here. Oh, where are you? On click. Let's just do that. Does not have current player. Sweet. So I often kind of go through this pattern. I'll just kind of program what I want to happen, and then let the compiler tell me current player is going to be definitely a player. And then when I initialize the model, current player equals player 1. Let's see if we're back in business. We are not in. Does not match up. Current player. Oh, okay. Because it's a maybe. So if it's nothing, we need a case X of nothing. So if it's nothing, then we can actually do the thing current player. And if it's just something, so it's going to be just a player, then if it's nothing, needs to be a maybe, and if it's a player, then we're just gonna just return that thing again, right? Let's, oh boy, model liquid. Dict into player into player. Oh. Value key. Value. Update needs the third. Why is it? It's expecting it to be that. But it should be a maybe player. It's a maybe player, but expects it to be a player. So something about getting the player. Nothing. Thing. It's gonna get the thing out of the dictionary. No. So I need this. Let's type this out. So let's not inline this function. So let's say update the key value, right? Oh, which means this is actually the key. Update value, and we're gonna take maybe player and return a maybe player, right? That's kind of what I'm expecting. Maybe we'll get better error message here. Update value m player case. We can just do this thing down here. Right. Oh boy. Let's go back. Okay, case m player of. If it's nothing, let's just okay, we need to actually do the thing. So we actually need the model here. Update. Yeah, because we actually need the model. Yeah, so model and the player. We're gonna, if they click on it, it's gonna be the current player. If not, if not, just return the original thing. Update value, give it the model. See if that is any happier. Nope, it's like the same problem. It's the exact same problem. Boy, I kind of feel stupid here. So, I'm probably using this function wrong. Update. Takes. So this is a function that takes a maybe and returns it to the value, key value. Maybe value. Oh. So if it can find it. Oh, so it's going to take. That. Oh boy, this is getting twisty. So like it may not find it. So I think the problem is here. So we're going to try to look up by the key, and if it can't find it, like we've got to handle that. So it's going to let's go back. I think it'll be easier. So it's going to look it up. Yeah. The update call. Update. Update needs a third argument to be. Yeah, so I think it's going to look it up. The grid is a maybe. Yeah. So it's going to look it up. And this is a maybe. I think this is a maybe player, like this. So if it's nothing, so if it can't find it, just return nothing. Just, so if it's just like a thing, case thing of, yeah, that's bad, but then if this is nothing, we're gonna return, yeah, so then if it actually found something and that something was nothing, then we're gonna return the current model dot current player. Yeah, otherwise just player. Just player. Whoa. So if they click on it, it's going to change to the current player. If there's already someone there, then it just needs to stay the same. That should work. So let's... Ooh, that's a little gnarly. Little crazier than I like. Doesn't like that either. Update value is a maybe v to maybe v. Update. I totally do not get how to use this stupid update thing. Yeah, and there's like 30 minutes. Alright, if the documentation were a little more helpful. Let's see here. Update the value of a dictionary for a specific field with a given function. Value. Yeah, I don't understand. Obviously, I don't understand how to use this thing. Like that. Dot grid. Black. The value of current player $50. Oh. Okay, so like that works, but that's not what we want. Debug dot log current value yeah, is there a way to, I haven't tried doing this in Ellie before. Yeah, I don't think that works. Boo. So if we just put X there, it works. Like, I just don't know what X is. So X is a maybe value, and our value is a maybe player. So if you found nothing, then do nothing. If it's just it's gonna be, oh damn, if it's just maybe player, then case player of nothing. So if it's nothing, okay, now if it's nothing, if there's nothing there, we need to model.current player. Now it's going to be something. Just model.current player. And if it's just a player, like if someone's already played there, then just, we need what that thing actually is. All right, so a little gross. I think we definitely don't got it. What are you talking about? So function type maybe player. Update needs it to be a maybe. Yeah, like that's not at all what we want. Yeah, this is getting kind of gross. There, that's what we want. Alright, so we worked through that. So we have a way of updating it. Now, we actually need to do... yeah, display cell. Yeah, and it's going to take this map in now. It's going to take this dictionary of int and maybe player. This is gross because I really need player dict equals dict int maybe player. So we'll just refactor this a little bit. Player dict. See if we're still good here. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. So we're gonna take in this dictionary and we're gonna spit out some string. And we also need, if we're gonna do that, player to string, player string, player to string, and player case player of player 1, we're gonna be X, and player 2, we're gonna be O, and then let's see here. Yeah, okay. So X0 if display cell dict int maybe player okay. We're going to the dictionary, and we're gonna get it. So we've got to do dict dot, we're gonna get it, build, we need the query thing. Remember get, yeah, get thing, there we go. So Dict.get, and we're gonna get by the int, yeah, let's kind of hide this implementation from our view. So we need, where do we compute that? Yeah, this thing right here, right? Probably should define this in a function, but let's do this. Row, column, key. We're gonna get the, yeah, how do we use this thing? Get key from the thing, so key dict. We're gonna get it. Yeah, returns a maybe the thing that's inside. Alright, so yeah, it's like a maybe player. Okay, equals dict.get key dict. And then we're gonna case match on this, and player, and nothing. Then just gonna return that. Yeah, and if we are just maybe player, then we're gonna do case player of we're gonna return, if it's nothing, also return empty string. But if we're just a player, we're gonna do player to string player, and I need to lowercase that. Yeah. So now we can do this now. Player to string. I think I mistyped that. Let's see how that goes. Oh boy, case player in. Case player in. Let in. Oh. Oh, not. It's the other way around. That's in. That's of. Thank you, compiler. Type grid model. Unbound. Player dict. You probably need to change the. Oh. Okay, let's undo. Come on, get out of my way. Sure, we'll just do that. Line 87. Let's fix all this stuff. Cannot find maybe. Oh, yuck. I was typing too fast. First argument text player to string. Oh, dumb. Player to string. I need to actually give it player to string. Oh. Forgot to actually. We have to actually pass it. This is getting a little gross. Model. Let's do that. Ew. Did not want to do that. Sure. Whatever. Model. We've got to pass this all the way down. Model.current player. Oh, that's not what we want. We want to display. We actually don't need that. Display cell row column model.grid. Yeah, let's try that. Cannot find model variable because we didn't put it in. Wow. Still can't find model variable because I didn't put it in. Cell row because it also needs to put the model in. Model. Great. Yeah, so that's getting close. Yeah, that's getting really close. Now we've got to switch the player. So if we want to, where is that? In our update, we've got to right here, we've got to go current player. Ooh. So we can only switch the player if like it actually works. Yeah. Well, we can do this first thing. If model.current player equals player 1, then player 2 else player 1. This will just swap them. Yeah, but see, there's a problem in this because I can go. Yeah, see, because it just naively like alternates them. So I need to know if I think there we go. If it was successful, and so if you played like if it worked. I think I need to know if when this case happens, right? Yeah, kind of stuck here. Let's reload. So yeah, that kind of works. We need to, if it's already like that, do we hold on to another piece of state? What do we do here? So if you click on it, it stays the same. Yeah, we're probably doing this wrong. So if you click on it, oof, okay. You click on it. Problem is, like, probably shouldn't. The grid. It's like we have two different pieces, but they're kind of coupled together. I don't know. Yeah, I don't understand something. So how am I gonna do this? I've got to switch the player. I gotta not switch the player. So if the current player is player 1 and model.successful, then player 2. Else if so we have two situations. If model.successful like, how's that going to get set? It's like I'm expecting some side effect from this to happen, but I can't know that. I know. How about I just don't send the update? I'm going to check it. If it's already clicked, if there's something already there. Oh, yeah, that's going to work much better. Yeah, let's just not send the update. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do it down here. Where are we? The cell. This thing. You say, can we like submit a message? So if model dot so we need to know we need to know like this stuff. If the current okay. Let cell player in. So this is gonna work. Let cell player equals, and we're gonna get it from model.grid display cell. We actually kind of need get player from grid. So we're gonna pass it our Dict.get. Good grief. We need something like this. Type alias player Dict. Getting tired of writing this out. Get player from, and it's gonna take in a one of those. It's gonna return a maybe player. Oh, but we've got to know this would have made our thing earlier a lot cleaner. So get player from grid, row, column, grid. This is going to make things a lot cleaner because we can do something like see, that's going to be a maybe player. If that was nothing, then I'm going to return a maybe nothing. No, I said I'm going to return a maybe player. Nothing. Just a maybe player. If there's nothing there, also going to return nothing. And if there's something there, just a player. Which means I just need to return the M player. Something's jacked. Let in 148. Okay. We need to get the cell, but get player from grid. Get player from grid, and we're gonna give it row, column, model.grid. And it's gonna be it's gonna return. It's gonna return a maybe player. And okay, so case M player of, if there's nothing there, then we're gonna do the thing. Nothing. If it's just a player, if there's something already there, then we're gonna do no op. Yeah, because we've got to do something. So where's our messages here? Message. No op. Update message. Click thingy. Yeah, we'll just do it right here. No op. We'll just return the model, right? Yeah. Cannot find dict variable. That should work. Sweet. Yeah. Hey, there we go. Yeah, okay. Now we're good to go. So that does what we want. What if we wanted like a, well, let's just make a like a reset button. Message. Let's go to my message here. So if we want to reset, we'll just do this like a knit. We'll just a knit model again, just back to 0. Yeah, so knit model. I think we can just do that. Cannot find a knit. Oh, initial model. Initial model. It's a model, but the type of device maybe. Oh, put in the wrong thing here. Not update value, right there. Alright, we just need to display that thing now. Let's format. And let's see here, view. Kind of want this outside. Like that, because I really just want like a button text reset, right? And then on click reset. Oh, left off that. Sweet. I know we could probably make this kind of good looking. So some button class, right? We can come down here. Button. Button. We can do width. Yeah, why don't we just do width, height, 2 limbs, padding. No, let's make this a big fat button. Border. 1, how about 2 bx solid. I don't know. Blue. Oh, that's kind of yucky. Let's just make it border radius 60x. Let's not make it so huge. Margin to 2em. Yeah, whatever. We'll just take the default button. Alright, so what's next? Check the win condition, right? So let's close that. So what do we need? We just need to check the dictionary. So every time we click, we need to check the win condition. So like the model, whoops, you know, is game over. Yeah, let's see here. Player, so we want to know who won, right? So player won. It's going to be another maybe player. Okay, and what's this going to take? We need to know, we're going to have to pass in this player thing, this thing. Let's put this at the top here. Yeah, so we're going to have to pass in a we can factor that. Let's make sure things still compile. No, what the heck? Player one. Oh, it's because I didn't initialize this. So initially, player one equals nothing, right? Yeah, we're back in business. Okay, so we need to, every time someone clicks, we can check this. So on our update, right? Click cell. Yeah. So anytime a cell is clicked, we are going to update this player one equals, you know, just some player, right? Player one equals let in. So we need to check win. So we need a function, right, that check win condition. Yeah, we'll just say check win, right? And it's going to take in this player dictionary, and it's going to return a maybe player. Check win. And so we're going to check who is going to win. So we have the you know, grid. We're going to need the model. Wait, that is the model. Check win. We're going to take that. Yeah, we're going to take that model. That's all we need. We just need to say, hey, did this thing, is this a winning dictionary? So what do we need to do? We need to check the rows. We need to check rows. Rows, columns, diagonals. Oh, this is going to be gross. Because each of these is going to return like get player from grid, right? and we want to know, right, 0, 0. Yeah, we want to know 0, 0. Right, right, I 0, 1, index 0, 2, and so forth, right? Zero, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, that kind of thing. And we need to do that for a bunch of them. I wish maybe there's a different way. Let's see here. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, right? So we need to see row 1 equals I 0, 0, I 0, 1, I 0, 2, row 2 equals 1, I 1, 1, I 1, 2, row 3 equals I 2, 0, I 2, 1, I 2, 2. And then column 1 equals I, see here, 0, 0, I 1, 0, I 2, 0. And column 2 equals I, let's see here. Yeah, the column right here. Yeah, 0, 1, 0, 1, I 1, 1, I 1, 2. Column 3 equals I 2, 0, I 2, 1, I 2, 2. And then we need the two diagonals. Two diagonals, we're going to have I 0, 0, I 1, 1, I 2, 2, diag. Let's just call this, well, we'll just call this diag 1 and diag 2, I 2, 0, I 1, 1, I 2, 0. Okay, so now we need a new function. We need a function that checks if like one of these things. Let's not make these a list. Let's make them tuples. Yeah, let's make these tuples. Whoops. Oh, stop it. Pressed the wrong button here. Whoops. Darn it, I keep doing that. So we need a function check. Let's check row win. And it's going to take in a tuple of maybe player, maybe player, maybe player, and it's going to return a Boolean. Yeah, just like that. Check row win, row or column or diagonal, just like a 3 tuple, and we're going to just call it row. So what needs to happen here? Well, none of them can be nothing. So case row of nothing, 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 false. What else? Oh, just player 1, just player 1, just player 1, true. And same thing, but just all 2s, right? And anything else, false. Okay, so now we just need to check all of these. So we're just going to return, right, check row win, row 1, and right, row 1, 2, 3. It's actually or, right? Yeah, check row 1, 2, 3, column 1, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Pressed an errant vim key. 2, 3, and then check our 2 diagonals. Diag 1, diag 2. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we have, oops, that's not what I want. Change. Yeah. Yeah, check it, check it. We're not in the, let's close this, it's too big. In the update function here, check update, check win, check win. Yeah, we have a player 1, check win on the model dot grid, right? It's a maybe player. Why does it keeps tabbing me over here? Okay, so case m player of, I keep doing that. What do we want to do? We want to, if player 1, it's going to return true. Oh, I might have done this wrong. Because I said return a maybe player. Said we want to know who won. We want to know who won. So we don't want to do that. We actually want, that's why I keep doing that. I don't actually have Vim mode on. Stay on page. Why does it keep doing that? Alright, so we don't want to, we want to check who won. It's a little hard. Yeah, forget who won. We know who won. We just want to know if it's game over. Let's just do this. Game over. Cool. That'll be simpler, I think. Game over equals false. Yeah? We'll save it. Okay, so we want to know who won. Now we're just going to check if the game's over. That's going to be a lot simpler. And then we need to be in the view. So let's do, so we already have a button there. And we're just going to display something. Text. Let's see here. If model.game over, then game over. Else keep playing. Sure. Boo. Update function. Yeah, I left a dangling let in statement there. So that was definitely bad. Come on. Let in. I'm recording. Just a second. I'm almost done. I really am almost done. Oh, lost my train of thought. Player 1. Player 1. Where is that? Player 1. We're just going to do, yeah, that should work now. Nope. There we go. These names seem close. Cannot find a maybe. Maybe player. Just a typo. Does not have a player 1 field. That's because it's called game over now. Game over. Game over is a bool. Check win. What does check win do? Yeah, because I decided that was going to return a bool. Oh, so now it's game over. I need to check it earlier. I need to do it on the, so when we click, I think it does these in order. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so it's really close now. Let's see if, let's make sure I can't click if the game is over. If on the here, display cell, not display cell, cell, on click, text. Okay, yeah, so if model dot game over, then no op else that. Yeah, that'll stop us from keep playing. Yeah, I can't keep clicking. We're really close because we can still do one. We can do one play after. We've got to do it before. This is in our update function. This is getting kind of big in one file. Getting kind of hard to navigate, but we're so close now. Okay, so the problem is check when, like we haven't updated it yet because all these happen at the same time. We've got to do this first. So we've got to have this new grid up here. So let's do this first. Yeah, if we do something like this, new grid, we'll keep a copy up there. Like that. And then use it here. New grid, like that. And then we can check on the new grid. And that should get rid of it. Yeah, so let's try it. Yeah, game over, yep. And that fixed it. So that's the whole game in about an hour. So there you have it. Tic-tac-toe. All there. You can play with your friends. Yeah, game over. We could pretty up this game over thing. Maybe we could overlay it onto the whole board. So let's do that. Let's do yeah, class equals win. No. Sure, game over. Yeah, okay. So let's make this game. What did I call it? Game over? Game over. Yep. Game over. And we're going to say width, 100 view height, and then height, 100 view height, and we're going to say that position absolute and line height, let's just gonna do this, let's just say 100 view height, and then text align middle, no, center, I get these mixed up, and then vertical align middle. And it didn't like that thing there. Oh. Game over. Oh. Forgot to do this. Top 0. Bottom 0, background color, RGBA, let's give it some Something like that. Yeah, okay. Problem with that is now I can't click on anything. But let's fix that here. So let's just say, yeah, let's just conditionally render this whole thing here. If model.game over, then else, something like that. Oh, I probably called it wrong. What did I call this thing? Game over, upper camel case. There. Game over. Yeah, we can make this a little better here. So game over. Let's do font size. Let's make it like really big. Color green, red, or something. Yeah, green, sure. And let's make the opacity a little more. All right, let's try that. Game over. And I think this would look better if we did white instead. And then font family sans serif. Yeah, we can even do this a little more. Oh, except we can't get to our reset button. How about, yeah, we can just do away with the reset thing. Let's get rid of this. Now we can just do this. We can just click the screen and get rid of that altogether. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, it's better, and then it's not all like weird and scrolly. Yay! Who won? Oh, zeros did win. So there's a problem. Let's make a draw here. What? Oh. Oh, boo, Emma. It's broken. Why? Why does that say game over? Something wrong here. If they're all nothing, if they're all player 1, if they're all player 2, they're all nothing, if they're all anything else. Alright, so I've located my bug. So I have this weird thing where x 0, 0. So something about my diagonal win condition. So right here, right there is my bug. It should be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 2, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, I think I was just reading these, so it's kind of messed up. But what I need is yeah, something's weird here. Yeah, right here. My win conditions are a little messed up. There. Yeah. Column 1. No. I was right. I don't want to mess it up. Because it needs to be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. And then column 3, 0, 2, 1, 2, and then 2, 2. Yeah, that should be good. Then this diagonal 1, so let's go 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2. There we go. Let's save that. Compile that. Let's make sure that same thing that we just happened. There we go. Well, now that didn't work. Oh. Column, my column 3 should be 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, and then if it's a draw, like all of them are full. There's no way to know that they're all full. So let's just ignore that. Zero x 0 x. Yeah. Yeah, good. So it checks if you win. Yeah, x1. So how do we check if the board is full? This checks if it wins, someone won. We just need to know if the whole grid is not like all, yeah, that it's not all nothings. Check win, player dict. So let's I wonder if we can, what we can check on this dictionary here. Let's go there again. Let's turn my dark reader off. Empty query, member, turn if a key is empty, size, list, keys, values, size. Ah, sweet, that's exactly what we need. We need all the values, and then we can say, hey, is nothing in this list? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so check row win. Check board full. Actually, we're going to call it the grid, right? Grid full. And it's going to take this player dict. And we're going to return a bool. Check grid full. Grid equals Yeah. So this grid player dict. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so dict dot, what did we say we were going to do there? Values. Let's get all the values from our grid. And then we're just going to return list. There's probably some list like member. Right? Member. Yeah, is 9 a member? So if nothing is a member, list.member nothing in values. So if nothing is a member, so it's going to return true. So game over is true. We want to do not like that. Yeah. And then we just do add that extra condition right here. Check grid full grid. There. Hopefully this works. Yeah, compiled. We gotta make a draw here. Let's see here. Oh. Yeah. So now we're done. Because if the board is full and it's a draw, then game over. And yeah, now we're done. So we'll save it. You can go play with that link here, right there. If you want to type that in, I'll put a link to that somewhere for you. And there you have it.